Hey, what's up, girls? Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here returning back to UPMC Sports Medicine. Here at SouthSide, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I lost the video at my other appointment, so I'm gonna make two more videos. So, two videos. So this is one of the two videos. It's a Schindler hydration. Only reason is because I was supposed to upload the other one, but unfortunately it didn't turn out good. It didn't turn out good. It's just I lost it and accidentally. I was trying to upload it, but I didn't mean to. Anyway, so here it is, and we're on it. We're into it. It's 2 floors only. No lock keys or doors or anything. So we have a second floor. There's not much up here. I don't think. Yeah, there's not much over here. It's mostly just classrooms and conference rooms and restrooms. Okay, now we'll head downstairs. Okay, we'll head to one. And afterwards, I'm gonna make one more video, and then I'm not doing a tour because they don't do all tours here anymore, or meet and greet. Just appointments only. So that's why I'm one of the patients that has appointments. Anyway, so that being said, Schindler Hydraulic Elevator. Thank you for watching, and that's at the SouthSide location at UPMC Sports Medicine. Go from there. All right, see ya.